viingx is a marketing content hub that allows you to store your content centrally and transform it faster and easier than before. In this final screencast of 4, we're going to show you how we can output structured content created using AI to a print publication. Using our new issue entity in viingx, we can add InDesign layouts with the recipes placed upon them into a book or flat plan format. We have 2 types of InDesign layouts in our sample case. The first are layouts that have been created by a design team and laid out accordingly, seen here as the intro pages to our recipe book. For more information on the connection between viingx and InDesign, please refer to our previous videos. The second are layouts that have been created semi-automatically using a predefined template and a data source of structured data. We are using the Easy Catalog plugin from 65-bit to connect the structured data in viingx to InDesign layouts and allowing us to place the relevant content into those layouts. In our sample case, we have 5 recipes for Italian desserts, created through AI. We can navigate to these recipes and let Easy Catalog place the appropriate data into the relevant templates and then upload those layouts back to viingx. In the flat plan, we can see the pagination of our book, the designed layout intro section, as well as the structured data layouts created through the integration with Easy Catalog. So to recap, in this video, we have populated InDesign page templates with our structured data from viingx using Easy Catalog and collated those layouts into a book format for pagination. All 4 videos in this series are to show how simple it can be to create structured data with viingx. From the population of data into a standard structure to the transformation of that data to different output channels. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please visit our website at www.viingx.com.